No, go ahead. I'll tase you. Go ahead.
What are you doing? What are you
Try me.
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. Let's break down a real-life case to uncover the law behind the chaos. Today we're taking a close look at a Surfside, Florida incident involving DUI, resisting arrest, and a sequence of bad decisions that escalated quickly. This case isn't just about what happened, it's about what could have been avoided. Let's dive in.
You have the license, registration, insurance?
No, asilo político.
I don't know what that means.
Asilo, no,
Where's your
proceso.
license?
Mi proceso de asilo, no, estoy en proceso de asilo.
I don't know why you're in my face, but I need a driver's license.
No license, ticket, porque no estoy en proceso de asilo. Y no choque el carro. No choque el carro porque no, ¿cómo? Pues, why ¿me está pidiendo las llaves de mi carro?
I don't speak Spanish, so I don't know why you're still telling me Spanish.
I'm sorry. I am sorry, agente. Watch me. Ven, come on.
She wanted to leave.
Come on. Watch me.
Watch you do what?
Mira.
Yeah, you hit the car.
No problem. No problem.
You scuffed the car.
You, wait a moment. Explain him. I wanna
No, that's not how it works.
the solution.
No.
Very good.
She wanted to leave the street.
Permiso.
Don't you ever grab a cup like that again, bro. Give me that. No, go ahead. I'll tase you. Go ahead.
What are you doing? What are you
Try me.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you
No
doing?
me pueden arrestar. Eso es ilegal.
33, start the units on the 2.
No me pueden arrestar. No me pueden arrestar.
You're not going to be able to do this.
Hey, listen, just relax, okay? We're here to help you, okay? Just relax, all right? We're here to help you, okay? What's your name? What's your name, young lady? What's your name? Come on, just relax. We don't want to tase you or anything, okay? So just give us your hand, all right? All right? You understand me? You understand me? You speak English or Spanish? Here. Okay, what's your name? My name's Officer Colon, okay? Just give me your hand, all right? Give me your hand so we don't have to tase you, okay? Come on, it's okay. All right? It's okay, we're here to help you, okay? What's your first name? What's your first name?
It's okay.
Okay, let me see your hand. Okay, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Karen, cuidado, okay?
Okay.
No problem, no mucho molesta, dame tu mano.
No.
Por favor.
No.
Okay, well, please.
Señora, dale la mano. Ya voy. No me fuerces. Dale la mano, ahora mismo, por favor. No me fuerces más que yo no voy a hacer. Señora, dale la mano ahora, señora.
Watch out, she might bite you. All right. Relax. Okay? Relax, all right? Karen, it's okay, okay?
Diana, check her.
No, abogado, quiero un abogado.
Okay, go on your
Quiero
side.
un abogado, no me toquen, quiero un abogado. No me toquen, quiero un abogado, mi abogado, tengo derecho a un abogado. Tengo derecho a un abogado.
All right, Bobby.
That car is right behind Wiseman, the second one.
Esto es ilegal. Esto es ilegal porque yo no he hecho ningún delito. Esto es ilegal.
Return unit reference 26 just occurred. The 26 just occurred. I need a unit for 16. 87th Street, North Miami Avenue. Northeast 87th Street, North Miami Avenue. Black male.
This one.
Black male.
Quiero un abogado.
Wearing no shirt.
Quiero un abogado. Quiero mi abogado.
Check her before before she gets in.
Yes, I mean the front pocket on the right.
The door
That's what I was trying to check.
others tell you the parts on the side.
Que eu não vou! Que eu não vou! Que eu não vou! Que eu não vou! Fucking my patio negro!
You saw that right.
I checked her the best I could.
She has something here. I couldn't get it.
I got it up.
You get it for the 15? Upper press 2 on 10 around. You need to. Okay. Also top 3. Just I'll show you online and verify your ID. I don't have to check that.
Yeah. Move that.
What do you need?
I'm about to toss the car.
They were last seen. 3 of them were last
Knife out. I need to see.
seen now. Here's one black male, one white Latin male with no shirt on.
Wiseman, I got here. She was outside of the car talking to Wiseman, screaming in Spanish. She started talking to me, yelling in Spanish. He went inside to like turn off the car. She started running over here, pushing him and pulling him out of the car. And then when he tried to like get away from her, she swung and hit him, which I was on body cam. After that, I took out my custody, take her into custody.
Let's pause here. What happened? What could have been done differently? More importantly, what does the law say? Number 1, DUI law. Florida statute section 316.193. Driving under the influence in Florida is defined as operating a vehicle while impaired or having a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or higher. In Karen's case, her statements and behavior likely led officers to suspect she was impaired. Refusing to comply escalated the situation. 2. Resisting arrest without violence. Florida statute section 843.02. When someone refuses to comply with lawful orders during an arrest, they can face charges of resisting. While this started as a misdemeanor, resistance can add significant complications. Number 3, resisting arrest with violence. Florida statute section 843.01. When the resistance turns physical, like pulling away, grabbing an officer, or refusing to be restrained, the charge becomes a felony with a much steeper penalty of up to 5 years in prison. Now, let's discuss how this case connects to evidentiary standards. These standards determine how much proof is needed at various stages of the legal process. Number 1, mere suspicion. Mere suspicion is the officer's gut feeling. For example, Karen's erratic statements and physical confusion might cause officers to suspect impairment, but this alone is not enough for action. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. This standard requires specific facts that justify a brief detention. Here, Karen's statements and behavior provided reasonable suspicion for a DUI. Number 3, probable cause. Probable cause is enough evidence to believe a crime has occurred. Refusing commands, resisting handcuffs, or showing obvious signs of intoxication establish probable cause for an arrest. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. Used in civil cases, this means it's more likely than not that something happened. If Karen's actions led to property damage, this standard would apply in a civil suit. Remember, she hit someone's car. That was the whole reason this happened in the first place. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. This higher threshold is needed in administrative actions like suspending Karen's license. Clear signs of impairment or refusal to comply would meet this standard. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. This is the highest standard required for criminal conviction. For a DUI or resisting arrest charge to stick, prosecutors must prove every element of the crime beyond a reasonable doubt. Here, officers had probable cause to arrest Karen based on her resistance, refusal to cooperate, and signs of impairment. This incident in Surfside is a perfect example of how non-compliance can turn a bad situation into something far worse. Karen Monroy de Leon's decision that afternoon led to charges of DUI and resisting arrest, charges that come with serious consequences under Florida law. The key takeaway: compliance doesn't mean you admit guilt. It means you avoid escalating the situation. Let the legal process play out in court, not in the street. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Advocacy Alchemy. I am Professor Ross, and this was Advocacy Alchemy. You all have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.